Hi, in front of me is CUBOT X18 and today I would like to show you how you can turn off auto rotation on this device. First of all, you need to enter Tab menu. Now find auto rotate icon and click on it. As you can see now it says portrait. That means that auto rotation is disabled. But you can also go into device settings, scroll all the way down, tap on accessibility, scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled. But you can also check it out by going into any app and turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!